Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We are going to take a quick look at a pair of Max lift tables. These are made in Wisconsin, and Max has always made a little bit more of a premium lift table. These do have a 6,000 pound capacity. They are powered by Leeson 1 horsepower, 230, 460 volt, 3-phase hydraulic power packs. We did replace the starters, and there are new foot pedals installed as well. These do have a 25-inch by 48-inch top. If you're thinking, hey, these are 3-phase, remember that once you go over 4,000 pounds, you really do need your lifts to be 3-phase. Otherwise, once loaded, they will be kind of on the anemic side when raising. Lowered, these have a 7 3/4 inch height, and these will raise to 42.5 inches. There's no hydraulic leaks. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.